Good morning, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. We're out in the garden this morning and doing my walkthrough. I noticed that I may have some zucchini here to harvest. I'll look again to be sure. But what we are going to do, I do know for sure, is harvest some green beans. And I thought I would bring you along. Let's get started. So this will be my harvesting second harvest of green beans from here. And these look amazing. Nice size. This is about 6 to 7 inches long. So when I harvest my green beans, if I'm not cooking them the same day that I harvest them, I try to process them immediately so that they don't go bad. What I mean by process is I'll go ahead and blanch them in hot water for 5 to 10 seconds and then immediately put them in an ice bath. And that's nothing more than ice water with, or water rather, with ice in it. And that will stop the cooking process and keep them nice and green. And then after I dry them off, I will either put them in a freezer bag, or I will vacuum seal them and put them in the freezer. Try not to be too rough with the plants and rip them or anything like that. Okay, we've gotten a lot from this side. We're going to go over on the other side of the bed and see what we can get. These are some very nice looking beans. And I think that's it. And there is an awful lot in here. I'll show you momentarily. So here are the green beans, and there's a bunch of them. I would say we probably got about 3 to 4 pounds of green beans here, which is good. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and wash them and then blanch them in hot water and then cool them down real quick in ice water, dry them off, and vacuum seal them. And we can use them for another day. Now, you can put these in your refrigerator, and I believe the shelf life will be anywhere from 5 to 7 days. Um, any longer than that, then they're going to start to lose the flavor and they're going to start to sag and become wilted. So after looking at my zucchini here, I have 4 that are close to being ready, but not quite. So I'll probably end up coming out tomorrow and getting them then. And I have 1 squash that will probably be ready by tomorrow as well. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while we got this harvest of green beans. It's the second harvest of the season for these, and they will be eaten and loved by my family. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and I'll be sure to respond. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. Food like this, I can grow by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my content, your family and friends will also, so it's okay to share. 2 things to remember. Always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Second thing, grow, grow, grow.